Hello, Anjali and Anya.
Hello, Mommy.
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Anjali and Ananya, I
Yes?
have some questions. Will
What?
you give an answers?
Yes, of course.
Okay. So will you tell how do you speak so well in English?
Oh, that. Okay. When we were speaking in Hindi, then our mom told so many times, don't speak in Hindi, English, English, English. But we didn't know that. So then after that, when we grown up, then we learned how to speak in English.
Really?
Yeah. Now
Okay.
it's my turn. When we were a little child, we were just speaking in Hindi. But when our mom wants to make us more expressions, so then she told us that Anjali and Anya speak in English. When I was speaking in Hindi again, then our mother told many times, speak in English, Anjali and Anya, speak in English, Anjali and Anya. Then I learned slowly. When I grew up, then I spoke very good in English. We both. Me too.
Oh, very good. My next question is, what is your favorite TV channels and shows?
My favorite is Okay, I will tell you. Roaster Racers. I like all the cartoons. I will tell
First
you
of
the
all,
names.
you have to tell the TV
Which one?
channels. Which channels you watch?
Oh, okay. I like Star Plus. We watch many English cartoons. Yeah. First, we started speaking in English by watching Chota Bheem cartoon. Then after this, slowly we watched Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Then Roaster Racers. Then Peppa Pig. Then Dora the Explorer. Then we watched what?
Millie and Molly.
Oh, yeah. Millie and Molly in the phone.
Yeah.
I'll tell you the names in the phone. What
Yeah.
we watch. Now, can I tell you? We also watch Doraemon.
Doraemon.
Doraemon. We watch Millie and Molly, Elsa and Anna, Ben and Holly's Little Kingdom. What about Caillou? Oh, yeah, I forgot Caillou. And stories. And I also watched drawings. I also watched fairy tales. Stories. I love watching fairy tales a lot.
And Sophia the First
Oh
song.
yeah! Oh yes, I learned many songs of Sophians.
Okay. Okay, will you tell me, do you read books?
Yes, we love to read books. This is my favorite hobby in the whole hobby. And I like dinosaurs the best.
Oh my God.
Because they're dinosaurs in dinosaur land.
Okay. And will you tell me, do you speak all the time in English?
Yes, we speak all the time in English.
And do you know other languages too? Hindi?
Yes, Hindi, Punjabi.
Oh, you know. Will you sing any song in Hindi or in Punjabi?
Yes.
Which
Yes,
you know?
I
Yeah.
Hum honge kaamyab. I will sing that. Hum honge kaamyab. Kitne sore ladiye, paaye naktaaliya taiya, tere piche gumadiye ne, karada sikawaliya.
Okay. And will you tell me, do you speak in English at school with your friends, with your teachers?
Yes, we speak at whole periods. Sometimes I always tell Amara speak in English, but she still can't. But I just start speaking with her in Hindi because I want to make her improve.
Okay. And you, Anjali?
I speak in English with the friends. When I started speaking in English with my best friends, they learned so many types of English. Nami, Arohi, and Ashita, they learned so many English from me.
Okay, that's wonderful. Would you like to say anything to all the children, to all your friends?
Yes.
Whether they should also start speaking in English?
And I'll also tell that Gauri Didi and Tanji Didi, but speak in English, but I never tell them because they speak in English. But they don't know how to speak in English. I tell them so many times.
Okay.
Their hearing is not good. If you try, especially Gauri Didi.
Okay.
If you try to speak in English, you'll and you will enjoy, and this will be your favorite language also.
By this way, you will enjoy your studies too.
Yes, and readings too. Do you
Yeah.
know how to read fairy tales? Yes, we
And
know.
stories?
Yes, that's a wonderful.
Yeah.
Okay, it means that you know English, Hindi, and Punjabi. Will you speak something in Punjabi too?
I would.
आप की करते हो?
Oh!
And you, Ananya?
आप की करते हो?
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ?
ਤੁਸੀਂ कितने जा रहे हो? ਤੁਸੀਂ कितने जा रहे हो?
Okay.
हम ऐसे नहीं होते हैं. That's
Oh,
simple.
yeah, that's great. You love speaking in English, na?
Yeah.
It helps you improve your studies, focus, and
That's why you will every time
And
be
this
good in English.
And you have to do your mind just like this if you get overtired.
yeah,
And over.
yes, it's a great fun.
Yeah, so much fun.
Very
So
good.
much fun questions.
Thank you so much, Anjali Nanya.
You're
Thanks for
welcome.
this interview. Bye bye. See you again.
Bye-bye.